I'll be going to jail. You're going to kidnap me? What crime did I commit?
Right now, failure to identify.
So, what do you need my ID for? What is the crime I committed?
Because you were involved in an accident. I'm not saying you committed a crime right now. But because you're...
Why are you shaking, man? Are you alright? Are you nervous?
No.
You're shaking. That makes me kind of nervous, man. You're over there with all these guns and shit all suited up, and you're the one shaking. Are you alright, man? You see what's going on here? You see him shaking?
Yep.
Are you alright? Do you need medical attention?
No, I'm good. What I want right now is for you to identify yourself.
That's what you want. That's nice. If you want anything you want, you ain't gonna get it.
Put your hands up on the car.
I made a deal with that man right there.
Put your hands up on the car.
I said, hey, maybe...
Put your hands up on the car.
Okay? And I worked out with him that I will cover the damages. That has nothing to do with you.
Fine.
Nothing to do with you.
I still have to do a report.
Do your report. That's lovely.
Okay, hands up.
At this point, I wish to remain secure in my person's papers and effects. Sir, I will charge you with assault and kidnapping. I'm not resisting. Why are you both up on me?
He's not on you. He's holding your arm.
I do not wish for this to happen, gentlemen.
You were given a lawful order.
No, that's not an order. Yeah, dude, my wrist is backwards. Come on, man.
It's not backwards. It's on right.
It's not backwards. Come on.
It's supposed to be like this so you can't.
So I'm supposed to be like this and like break my wrist? Come on.
It's not
man.
broke.
No, but you're going to go try and sit me down in the back of your car like that. You want me to break my wrist when I sit down?
It's not going to break when you sit down.
Look at this. Am I even resisting? Is there a need for this? Or is it just so that you guys feel better about yourselves?
Oh, yeah, real good about myself.
Yeah, you do, huh? You know, there's real crime in this city. There's like murder.
There is, like failing to identify yourself when you're involved in an accident.
Identify as a crime. I want to see the charge for that. What charge is that? What law did I break by failure to identify? Let me see. Is South Dakota a stop and ID state?
We're not stopping an ID. You're involved in an accident.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Show me what law you're saying I'm breaking. You're over here throwing me in a car.
Any knives on you beside this one?
I have all kinds of stuff on my pockets that you are not free to touch, sir. That is my property.
Exactly, and you're under arrest. Any other knives?
I'm sure I got plenty on me.
Two maybe phone. Alright, have a seat.
What are you doing with my property?
Your property's in the front seat right next to where you're going to be.
Well, it might behoove you to know that there's another small knife in my right pocket. And I really know you were not allowed to reach into my pocket. Untake the cuffs off and I'll get it my fucking self.
It's in your front pocket. You can't reach it anyway. Get in.
Do not fucking touch me. Oh, you can't just take the cuffs off, though, huh?
Alright, have a seat.
I'd rather not.
I don't care what you rather do. Get in the car.
What is your name?
Sergeant Newenfeld.
Newenfeld and Weber. What is your first name?
Rob.
Rob
Get
Newenfeld and what Weber?
Zach.
Zach Weber.
Inside
thank
the car.
This is against my will. How the fuck does someone fit back here, really?
Not very good. So what happened?
So Hassan used to cook at Fajitas, big native guy. His mom's knocked on the door, came in, and was like, "What's going on?" She said, "Somebody just hit your building and then drove away." I was like, well, did you see where they went? Yeah, they backed in right over by the whatever deal, the restaurant. I was like, okay. So she sends me, I sent this to her already. She sends me, I said, do you have a picture of it? She goes, yeah. So she sends me that from the apartment they live in.
Okay.
So I walk over there and I'm looking around the truck and she's walking back up. She said, if I need to testify, I'll testify. What's right's right, what's wrong's wrong. I was like, okay. And she goes, oh, I was looking for license plate. She goes, oh, they're on the dash. So I took a picture of the license plate on the dash. So there's no plates anywhere else on the truck. And as I was sitting there, the lady in the white car, she's like, can I help you? I'm like, is this yours? Or do you know whose this is? It's my husband's. Why? So he hit my building. I said, it's not a big deal. He just hit it. Just want to figure out what's going on. Well, let me back up. Right away she said, he didn't do that. He's been here forever. When did it happen? I said, 10, 15 minutes ago. She just came in my office. He's been here for a long time. That truck hasn't moved. So I called Weber and said, hey, somebody hit my vehicle or my office. They're claiming it didn't happen. It's easier just to get a police report because if I turn it into insurance, they're going to want it anyway. So he comes out right away. Yeah, sorry if I did it. I don't know if I did or didn't, but if I did it, I'll just fix it, take care of it. I'm like, oh, I have Dan Hahn. I just put it on a year ago. I'll have him come back over and figure out what it's going to take to patch it. It's not going to be horrible. There's a reason we put that brake in there for reasons like this. If we got to cut it all out, it blends better. Well, he was like, yep, no problem, whatever. And I said, hey, that's Zach. I said, I just called the cops in case I have to turn it into insurance. I need a police report. Yeah, and then you took over. He got belligerent right away.
So you didn't make no deal with him that he's going to pay for it?
I said I would have Han come look at it and we can figure out, because I gave him my number.
Okay.
I said, we can figure out what it's going to take to fix it. I said, but I don't know. He goes, I'll fix it. I'm going to have Dan fix it. I said, if you're going to fix it, you're going to pay to fix it, we're good, but I don't. And then you pulled in and then he got belligerent.
So he didn't identify himself to you yet either?
Well, he said his first name, but I didn't catch it. He kind of moved through it. But that's his wife. She identified herself to me as his wife. She said, that's my husband's pickup. He said he just got it. He didn't deny doing it. He said, I just got this, and it's a big old truck I'm not used to driving. I might have. I'm like, well, I have a picture of you against it. Hussein, what's the old cook from Fajitas, about this tall native guy? Big dude. You know who I'm talking. It's not Hussein.
Hazen.
Hazen.
Oh, Hazen Kevin.
His mom came over. She's the one who took the picture and saw it. She was, I was outside having a cigarette. I saw the whole thing.
Oh.
So
that's his wife that's in the
that's what she told me. That's my husband's truck.
one that in the driver's seat of the white car.
Yeah, she said that's my husband's truck because she went inside to get it.
Okay.
Is what she told me. He said his first name, but it mumbled through it.
Oh.
I don't know. Do you have the? Would it be under the plates that are on the windshield?
I don't know. I can check here quick. They're massively expired. Well, if he just bought it, they might not even be to him.
No, maybe not. Because I was walking around trying to get a plate, so at least I had a picture in case it left. I don't think this job at all.
Wife's not gonna help.
I didn't figure so. Well, she's the one that told me.
already. It's a Joanne standing or something.
Oh,
She's the one that told me there's no way he did it. That truck's been parked here for a long time.
so
Well, she just told me it hit it.
Yeah.
And she's like, I don't want to create problems with her. She goes, right's right, wrong's wrong. If I need to testify, I'll testify. Watch the whole thing. I was outside having a smoke.
Yeah.
so he hit it and then
Backed over there and went in the restaurant.
okay.
He's claiming he didn't know if he hit it or not. I didn't think he hit it, is what he told me.
Okay. So
He got real nervous when your pickup pulled up. So I said, I called him. I said, I didn't know if I could figure out whose truck it was or even if it was here at the time. So
Yeah.
figured just in case for insurance purposes, I needed a report.
Because he goes down really, he overheats really fast.
I cranked the air when I turned it up.
Because he said he's really hot.
Step out. So Frank said you drop something?
Yeah, my phone.
Here, I get it for you. So the statute that you need to identify yourself for is you hit the building.
Is that the law?
Yes.
Is that a statute?
South
or is that
Dakota
law?
State Codified Law.
Is a statute. It's not law.
It says codified law. in
What
the
sovereign
description.
writ that law?
Huh?
What sovereign writ
State of South
that
Dakota.
law? State of South Dakota is not sovereign.
I know, it's a state. That's where you're at.
No, I'm in a state of bliss. I'm in a state of being.
Okay.
I'm in a natural state.
All right. So,
I am not in the state of South Dakota. I am on
all right.
the land.
You can explain that to
call.
the judge. All right. I don't need to hear it. You can explain that to the judge.
Well, you guys are going to release me and stop wasting my time, or I'm going to charge you for my time.
Yep, you tried that once already. It didn't work so well, did it?
Oh, you think I tried that?
Yes, because I know who you are.
Oh, okay. Let's see how
So,
that goes.
You
'Cause
can identify yourself.
Are
for the
you guys
accident
going to keep
report.
running your extortion racket? Because I've worked out with that man that I will compensate
Really?
any and all damages. And I don't
funny.
need no third-party interlopers interfering into my affairs.
Because he said you didn't identify yourself.
I identified myself to him.
Not according to him.
Okay. Then he can go to court and we'll have this conversation in court. But I have nothing to do with you two clowns.
Yep. You're going to get a citation for leaving the scene of an accident.
Oh, I left while I was here the whole time?
Did you?
What was I
Did
not
you
here
go
the
in
whole
the
time?
Did you go in the building and tell him that you hit his building?
I didn't know I hit the building, sir.
Good. So now we're going to come out here and told you that you did.
Yeah, actually someone else came in there and told me that I
No,
did.
because
And then
he
I
recorded it.
And then I came running right out as soon as I was told that I hit someone's building. And I came out to see what was going on, and I told the man, hey, if it was me, I'm sorry, I fucked up. I will gladly fix it. What is it going to cost? I can fix it myself, or if you want to hire your guy to fix it, that's fine. I have no problem compensating damages of anything I've done wrong. I do have a problem with road pirates sitting here trying to extort me and waste my time.
So what you want to do?
I'd love to be left alone to go about my day.
You're going to be left alone as soon as we get done with the crash report.
Then why are you wasting my time?
I'm not wasting your time. You're wasting my time because you won't give us your name so we can write it in the report and get this over with and get you on your way.
My name is none of your fucking business.
It is. It needs to go in the accident report. It needs to be given to the victim.
Okay, I'll go talk to the victim. No, you think only government can solve problems. Your daddy didn't teach you right. You didn't know that. Your daddy never taught you that two men
You know
can go
why?
talk
Because
to
he's
each other.
fucking dead.
Yeah.
Don't ever talk
and
about
while
my
he was
dad.
here, he didn't teach you right, did he? He
No,
didn't teach you
'cause
that
I
another
was
man.
one.
He didn't teach you that another man can go talk to another man and solve his problems. You don't need government
Did I
intervention.
learn that when I was 1 year old?
I don't know.
Exactly.
But it's brought you to what you are today.
No, it isn't.
Really?
So you can continue with him with his investigation, or you can go to jail. We don't really. It's
My
not
name
up
is
to
Good
us.
Citizen.
Last chance. Last opportunity.
What are you doing, man? Why are you being so rough with me? Oh, you're being so... Why are you throwing me around? Chill, I'll get in the car. Why don't you fucking relax? No, you just got to be a tough guy because you got me in handcuffs. You got that uniform on. The state gave you some title. You think you're king. I know. But why don't you calm the fuck down?
So things off of that expired